After Tunde Samuel's sordid experiences as a young taxi driver, he takes on the mantle of moral restoration in cleaning up the society of its criminal aspects. The former taxi driver becomes an undercover policeman beneath the guise of yet another ordinary taxi driver. Taxi Driver 2, the sequel. Featuring a host of veteran actors and theatre practitioners: Adeyemi Afolayan, Karim Adekboju, Adebayo Salami, Jide Kosoko, Lere Paimo, Obalinde, and many others.